Good morning, students. Today we do lesson number 16, time. And today we do in time chapter conversion. Conversion of hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, seconds to minutes, minutes to hour. So let's start with it. Firstly, we write down in the maths copy important points. Clear? Students, first of all, you have to write down the important points. Important points, which one? This one. To convert seconds, minutes and hours, you multiply or divide by 60. So first important point is to convert from minutes to second, you have to multiply by 60. Second important point is to convert from seconds to minutes, you have to divide by 60. To convert from hours to minutes, multiply by 60. And to convert from minutes to hours, divide by 60. This thing will be more clear by the diagram, but student, these important points you have to write down in your maths copy. So all these points you have to write down in your maths copy first, and then we will go ahead. Clear? Now listen. As you all know, from moving from seconds to minute, means second is the smallest one, and from second minute is bigger, and from minutes hour is bigger. And when from seconds to minutes we go, we always divide by 60. Keep this thing in mind. And minutes to hours, when we go, we divide by 60. Clear? And when we go from hours to minutes, we multiply by 60. Remember, when we go from big to small, means our hand is the biggest hand, and from hours to minutes, when we go, we always multiply by 60. And when we move from minutes to seconds, we also multiply by 60. So this one diagram also you have to make in your maths notebook. Mean two things. Firstly, you have to do important points write down. After that, this one diagram you have to make in your maths copy, so that the things will be more clear to you. Okay. Now we go to activity. Clear? Now we are doing activity 4. See. Activity 4, first question is convert the following into minutes. Clear? So, firstly we do, students, A part. A part is 9 hours is equals to dash minutes. So, what you have to do? You have to write like this manner in your maths copy. So whatever we are doing, so all these points you have to write down in your maths copy. As I already told you that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 9 hours equals to dash minutes. So how you find? When you go from 1 to many, you always do multiply. And now you know 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So for that, you have to multiply 9 by 60 minutes. And when you multiply, student, you have to multiply 9 with 6. Because 9 6 are, everybody know, 9 6 are 54, and with 6 there is 1 0, so you will put 0 at the end. So answer will be 540 minutes. Like this manner we do this one question. Clear? Now after A part, student, we do E part. E part is 15 hours and 5 minutes. So solution for this is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 15 hours 5 minutes. How you convert? First of all, you have to see which thing you have to convert. This thing is already in minutes, so you will not convert this one. Only you have to convert hours. 15 hours. For converting 15 hours into minutes, what you do? You will do 15 into 60. Because you know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So you do 50 into 60 minutes plus 5 minutes. Because 5 minutes is already in minutes. So you will not change it, you only plus it. Now 15 into 6, this thing you have to do like this man. 15 6 are 90. 90 you will write down and 0 at the end of 60, so you put a 0 as it is. It will become 900 minutes plus 5 minutes. When you plus 5 in, that answer will be 905 minutes. Clear, students? Now we do F part of it. See, F part is same like E part. 5 hours 20 minutes, means you are converting in minutes. So what do you do? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Clear? After that, 5 hour is equals to 20 minutes. What do you do? First of all, you convert 5 hours into minutes. How you convert? 5 into 60. Clear? Because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So you do 5 into 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Clear? So 5 60s are as you do with 6. In same manner we do with 60. Only the difference is that in 60 there is 1 0. But the 60 table is same like 6 table. Clear? So 5 60s are 300 because 5 6s are 30. So along with that 1 0 you add, number will be 300 minutes plus 20 minutes. When you plus, answer will be 320 minutes. Clear, student? Now of question number 1 you have to do in the copy only B part. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is convert the following into seconds. Clear? As you all know, 4 minutes you have to convert in seconds. So first of all you must know 1 minute is equals to dash second. So how much? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So before starting question number 2, let me tell you one thing. You have to do B and D part in the homework. So B and D part is a homework for you. Clear? Now listen. How to do A part? A part is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Clear? But what we need minutes into second. So for converting minute into second, what do you do? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Clear? Then question is 4 minutes. Which one you have to write in the left hand side? 4 minutes you will write down of 1 minute. Clear? Now you are converting from 1 to many. Many is any number, 4 is a number. So what do? 4 you have to multiply by 60. When you multiply 4 with 60, you have to multiply 4 with 6 only, and 0 you will put at the end. So 4 6 are 24. So answer will be 240 seconds because 4 60s are 240. Clear this thing? Now we do E part. Question number 2 E part is same like question number 1. Only the difference is that in that you are writing 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Here you write 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Clear? Now 36 minutes 48 seconds you will write in the left hand side. Now 36 minutes. So what you have to do? You have to convert minutes into seconds. So for converting minutes into seconds, what you do? 36 into 60 seconds you will do plus 48 seconds. Now 36 you have to multiply by 6. When you multiply by 6, answer will come 216. Clear? And along with 60 there is 10. So you put a 0 here. Answer will be 2160 seconds plus 48 seconds, which is already in seconds. Now this number and this number you will plus. When you plus it, answer will come 2208 seconds. Clear, students? Now you have to do B and D part of question number 2. And in question number 1, only the B part you have to do in your fair maths notebook. Clear this thing? Now we come to question number 3. Question number 3 is convert the following into hours and minutes. Clear? How to do? Firstly, see the question. What is the question here? That 328 minutes. So you have to convert minutes into hours. And student, when you go from small to big, what do? You always do divide. So when we are moving from minutes to hours, so we will divide. Divide by which number? We have to divide by 60. Clear this thing? So how to do this one question? See, before going to A part, firstly let me tell you, in question number 3 you have to do B and E part in the home. Clear? Now listen. A part. As I already told you that 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 hours. So for that, what you have to do? 328 you have to divide by 60. Clear? And divide in the rough. Whatever answer come, you have to write down. When you divide it, 65s are 300. So 5 hours will come. And whatever remainder left, that will be considered in the minutes only. So 28 minutes left, and that will be a answer. So answer will be 5 hours 28 minutes. Clear? Now we do F part. For F part, I have done the rough work also so that it will be easy for you. Firstly, we write 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 hours because we are moving from small to big. When we move from small to big, we always do divide. So 1515 we have to divide by 60. See here, I have done division also. 60 table. 60 table, we will see which number come closer to 151. That is 120 only. So 62s are 120. You will write 120 down of 151. When you minus it, answer come 31. 31 is smaller than 60. What do? You take 5 down also. Now 65s are 300. So you write 300 down of 315, minus it, answer will come 15. Now listen, this 25 is the hours. Clear? And whatever left, that will be considered in minutes only. So answer will be 25 hours 15 minutes. Clear? Now student, we do question number 4. Question number 4 is convert the following into minutes and second. 258 seconds. Seconds you have to convert in minutes. So as you know, second is smallest one, so you write 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes, because you are moving from small to big, always to divide. So 258 you have to divide by 60. If you don't want to write this thing, no need to write, no problem. After this you will write down the division, and after that write down direct answer. Then also you get a full marks of it. Clear? Now see, 60 and 258 when we divide, 4 will come as a quotient, and this quotient will be a minute, and whatever left, that will be considered in seconds. So answer will be 4 minutes 18 seconds. Clear? Now student, we do F part. F part is 1870 seconds. So 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes. Clear? So 1870 second you have to divide by 60. How we divide? See the rough column, and everybody has to make a rough column for activity 4 in the maths copy. 1870 divided by 60. 63 is a 180. 180 will come down of 187. Minus it, answer comes 7. You will take 0 down, it will be 70. Now you see which number comes closer to 60. 61s are 60. So 60 will come down of 70. Remainder come 10. Now this 31 is a minute. So answer will be 31 minutes and 10 seconds. Clear students? Now students, listen. Homework of activity 4. Which one parts you have to do? In question number 1 you have to do B part. Question number 2 B and D part. Question number 3 B and E part. And question number 4 B and E part. Clear? Today student, we have done conversion. Conversion of hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, minutes to hours and minutes, and seconds to minutes and seconds. And for that I told you, when we move from hours to minutes, we always do multiply. Minutes to second, we always do multiply. By which number? By 60. And when we move from seconds to minutes, we do divide. And when we move from minutes to hours, we always do divide. Clear student? Thank you and have a nice day.